buckle up because things are going to get very, very competitive in the best way possible. Our top soloist today will walk away with a whopping 50,000 rupees for the first place, 25,000 rupees in the second place. This, of course, is in both the Indian as well as international solo categories. So we're going to start, we started in fact, with a number of entries, each that was showcasing their talent. We had a panel that has filtered through all of this. So what you're going to see on our stage today, these are the finalists that you will be watching today. We have an amazing lineup of our judges that I will be bringing on very, very soon. But we also want to give the audience members a chance to put your votes in. So let the music begin, as we like to say, ladies and gentlemen. Without any further ado, it's time for us to call upon our judges for today. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Please, let's welcome Prasoon Joshi, Padma Shri Chairman at Omnicon Advertising India, and now the Chairman of Prasar Bharati. A bigger round of applause, folks, in this room. Our next guest truly has shaped the soundtracks of entertainment as well as brand. Put your hands together, please. Merlin D'Souza. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Subhash Kamath, former CEO BBH India and former chairman at ASCI. Hi. All right, so let's begin with our Indian solo category. And first up, we have Aniket Khade from White River Media. White River gang right over there.
हंसती थी वो तो ऐसा लगता था कि फूल खिला कोई फूल खिला है। रोती थी वो तो ऐसा लगता था कि दुनिया मेरी लुट गई है। बचपन का प्यार था पूरा एतबार था, भूले चाहे वो जो मुझको भूलेगी नहीं। भूल गई मेरा प्यार माए बस लगे महीने चार, मायरी याद वो आएरी। गंगा कर दी मायरी अख नाल लड़ दी, मायरी याद वो आएरी।
अब अगली दो लाइनें हर किसी ने गुनगुनाई होगी, तो प्लीज मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग भी मेरे साथ
बिंदिया लगाती तो कांपती थी पलके मायरी। दुनिया सजाती तो देती वादे कल के मायरी। मेरे हाथों में था उसका हाथ, थी चाशनी हर उसकी बात, मायरी याद वो मायरी याद वो आएरी। गल्ला कर दी मायरी अख नाल लड़ दी मायरी याद वो आए रे मायरी याद वो मायरी याद वो आए रे तारारारा 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 अब क्या करूं कहाँ से कहूं ए मायरी Thank you so much.
Hi, Aniket. That was absolutely fantastic. Our judges are now going to put their voting together for you, and that combination of those medleys, absolutely amazing. Before I do call our next performer onto this stage, we're absolutely delighted that the Bollywood singing superstar Neeti Mohan has joined us as well. If you want to turn around and say a quick hi to everyone. Of course, we know her as such a versatile, power-packed performer, and we're delighted to have you with us over here. Okay, folks, our next performance, put your hands together, because Ishwari Pandit is coming and joining us from Interactive Avenues. Thank you, Ishwari. Thank you so much. That was a very powerful ending for you. And folks, coming up now, our third performer, it is Nishant Patil, and he is part of First AI Consultancy Services.
नाज़ो अंदाज से कहते हैं कि जीना होगा, जहर भी देते हैं तो कहते हैं कि पीना होगा। नाज़ो अंदाज से कहते हैं कि जीना होगा, जहर भी देते हैं तो कहते हैं कि पीना होगा। जब मैं पीता हूँ तो कहते हैं कि मरता भी नहीं, जब मैं मरता हूँ तो कहते हैं कि जीना होगा। ये इश्क इश्क है, इश्क इश्क ये इश्क इश्क है, इश्क इश्क ये इश्क इश्क है। वैश्ते दिल रेसनोदार से रोकी ना गई, किसी खंजर किसी तलवार से रोकी ना गई। इश्क मजनू की वो आवाज है जिसके आगे कोई लैला किसी दीवार से रोकी ना गई। क्योंकि ये इश्क इश्क है, इश्क इश्क ये इश्क इश्क है, इश्क इश्क ये इश्क इश्क है। इश्क वो हंस के अगर मांगे तो हम जान भी दे दें, वो हंस के अगर मांगे तो हम जान भी दे दें। ये जान तो क्या चीज है, ईमान भी दे दे। धूप टूट के कांच की तरह चुप गई तो क्या अब देखा जाएगा। आंधियां कहीं दिल में है मेरे, चुप गई तो क्या अब देखा जाएगा। दिल है टूटा मेरा, मैं इश्क जला के आ गया। हो दिल है टूटा मेरा, मैं इश्क जला के आ गया। निसा गरे सा निसा गा म प म प गा म रे सा निसा गरे सा निसा। आधी बातें आंखें बोले, प निसा गरे सा नि दा प म द नि द ग निसा। निसा गरे सा निसा गा म प गा म रे सा निसा गरे सा निसा। ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, निसा गरे सा निसा गा म प गा म रे सा निसा गरे सा निसा। गरे सा निसा गरे सा नि गरे सा निसा, गरे सा निसा गरे सा निसा, गरे सा निसा। Thank you.
My God, Nishant, what a powerhouse you are. I wonder which show we're going to see you on TV next. Okay, folks, we've got another talented performer coming and joining us. It is Rahul Sarodi from White River Media.
कविताएं बर्बाद की तुम पे, अब काश न कहना मेरे साथ न रहना। अब काश न कहना मेरे साथ न रहना। सूरज सी तुम धरती सा मैं, दुनिया तुम्हारे वास्ते रोके मोड़ लिए थे रास्ते मैंने, दोस्तों से खास जो की मुस्कुराते बर्बाद किया तुमने। अब काश न कहना मेरे साथ ना रहना, अब काश न कहना, मेरे साथ ना रहना। पम गम पम प गम पनि सनि सा पनि सरे गरे गा नि द पनि द प ग रे पम प हार गया मैं तेरे आगे, मैं रेशम कीट तुम रेशमी धागे, कैसे रिझाऊं ये ठेस जो लागे। तुम जो गए दुख बरसा के, कितनी रातें बर्बाद की तुम पे। अब काश न कहना, मेरे साथ न रहना, अब काश न कहना, मेरे साथ न रहना। Thank you. That was Kash. You can find it on Spotify. Thank you so much.
My God, Rahul. Yeah, one more round of applause for him. He had the audience. He had the audience going over there. Okay, folks, we're changing categories now and we're going into our international solo category. So let's welcome our first performer onto our stage. It is Bodhisattva Banerjee from VML India.
Look into my eyes and you will see what you mean to me. Search your heart, search your soul. When you find me there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, it's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Look into your heart and you will find there's nothing left to hide. Take me as I am, take my life. I would give it all, I would sacrifice. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. No, it's true. Everything I do it for you. There's no love like your love, and no woman could give more love. There's no way unless you're with all the time, all the way, yeah. You guys want to sing along the next part? Yeah? Let's go. 'cause you know it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you. Thank you.
Wow, now that was a powerful start for our international solo right over there. Okay, folks, let's go on to our next performer. And coming and joining us, it is Sachi Shetty from Z Media. Give her a little bit of love, everyone.
I heard you coming at 2:45. You closed the door and laid down next to me. But then I heard you say your name in your sleep. Your dirty secrets too far gonna keep. I'm about to lose my I'm about to lose my mind, my mind, I'm about to lose my mind, yeah. I think about you all the time. Oh, and I sure won't stay, but I'll be damned if I ever leave. My mind, my mind, my mind. I think about you all the time. My mind, you'll always be mine. Ooh.
Thank you, everyone. Wow, Sachi, how could you play with our hearts like that, with that voice? All right, so now it's time for us to welcome our final performer in this category. So, folks, let's welcome onto our stage from ASCII. Put your hands together for Ruben De Silva.
Perfect person. There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be, a reason to settle anew, and the reason is you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. It's something I must live with every day. And all the pain I put you through, I wish that I could take it all away and be the one who catches all your tears. Come on, sing. That's why I hit you here. I found a reason to change who I used to be. A reason to settle on you. And the reason is 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 you. I'm not a perfect person. I never meant to do those things to you. And so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. A reason to settle on you. And the reason is you. I found a reason for me to show you what I could be. A reason for all that I do. And the reason is you. Thank you very much.
My God, I cannot imagine that this is the amount of talent we have in the media and advertising world. Okay, so we're now going to go on to our final category for today. This is Indian duet. Okay, and now coming and joining us, it's a pair that you would not expect, but a pair that you have already seen on this stage. So coming and joining us are Rahul Sarodi as well as Aniket Khare from White River Media.
ये तारा वो तारा है तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा,
देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा।
वो सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा।
जो सब साथ में तो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा।
जगमग तारे दो तारे दो तारे सो तारे जगमग सारे हर तारा है शरारा। जो किसान हल संभाले मिट्टी सोना ही उगाए,
जो गोवाला गया पाले, दूध की नदी बहाए, जो लोहार लोहा डाले, हर औजार डल जाए।
मिट्टी जो कुम्हार उठा ले, मिट्टी प्याला बन जाए।
सब ये रूप है मेहनत के, कुछ करने की चाहत के, किसी का किसी से कोई बैर नहीं। सबके एक ही सपने हैं, सोचो तो सब अपने हैं, कोई भी किसी से यहाँ गैर नहीं। सीधी बात है समझो यारा,
तारा तारा ये तारा वो तारा है तारा, तारा वो तारा है तारा।
देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में, तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा।
जगमग तारे, 2 तारे, 9 तारे, 100 तारे,
जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा।
Thank you so much.
Rahul, Aniket, your office parties must be so much fun, na? With you guys around singing away. Okay, so folks, we're now getting onto our stage, our final pair for today. So put your hands together. Let's welcome Ruben De Silva once again and Monabina Bhattacharya from Oliver In-House India Private Limited.
Come on, put your hands up with it.
बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम।
दुनिया ने हमको दिया क्या, दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या, हम सबकी परवाह करें क्यों, सबने हमारा किया क्या। दम मारो दम, मिट जाए गम, बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम। Guess the next one. लैला मैं लैला, ऐसी हूँ लैला, हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला, जिसको भी देखूं दुनिया भुला दूं, मजनू बना लूं, ऐसी मैं लैला।
लैला तू लैला लैला, कैसी तू लैला, हर कोई चाहे तुझसे मिलना अकेला, जिसको भी देखे दुनिया बुला दे, मजनू बना दे, ऐसी तू लैला।
Can you spot this one?
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना मुश्किल है प्यार तेरा बच के जाना
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना वीरा para 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 para
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है आंखों में यारों का दिल खो जाता है
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है आंखों में यारों का दिल खो जाता है दो दिल दोनों जवां आंखों का है ये बयां दोनों के दरमियां अभी होना यहाँ पर्दा पर्दा हाँ पर्दा पर्दा हाँ अपनों से कैसा पर्दा 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 हाँ पर्दा पर्दा हाँ अपनों से कैसा पर्दा Monica, oh my darling, Monica, oh my darling.
Thank you very much.
So our judges will need maybe a minute to put all their scores and compile everything together, and we don't want to put them under too much pressure over here and let them do it in the most relaxed way possible. So in the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, if there's anyone in our audience over here that thinks that oh, you're already pointing out to someone. My God. I love that. But see how shocked he's looking. So basically, should we make him sing? Yeah? Because he was pointing at you so much. He's really good.
Okay, this is one of my favorites. It's Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. Let me just try that first one. Sure. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, as I look all white, she said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you look wonderful tonight.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, I'm just going to go to them. But if you're going to make that face, then come on. You can do this. Where's the mic? Do you know which song you're going to sing? Okay. So first, give her a round of applause. She needs a little bit of encouragement from the community over here. Before you start, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Samarpita Banerjee. I'm a part of Havas India. Yeah. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरे से मन की देखो बावरी है बातें बावरी सी धड़कने हैं बावरी है सांसें बावरे से धुन हो कोई, बावरा एक रास हो, बावरे के पैर चाहे बावरे तरानों के, बावरे नजारों को तकना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना।
Why? We could have just given you 3 more tracks and we would have enjoyed that moment. But that was absolutely fantastic. Our results are in. Okay, so our results are in, and I think this is now the perfect moment for our judges to come and join us onto our stage. Guys, you have to put your hands together. Please, let's welcome Mr. Prasoon Joshi, Neeti Mohan, Miss Manta Sidhu, and of course, Mr. Subhash Kamath. I'm sure it was very difficult to put those scores together. But Prasoon sir, it's a singing competition over here, and how could we not also have you share a few lyrics with us, a few words with us? Is that a good idea? Fantastic. I know that the audience is eagerly waiting, and we would love it if you could please do that.
Okay, so, yeah, what should I recite? So there is a song which I wrote 20 years back called Seekho Na Naino Ki Bhasha Piya. Shubha Mudgal he sang it, and Shantanu Moitra had composed it. So I'll hum it a little bit for you, yeah?
सीखो ना नैनों की भाषा पिया, कह रही तुमसे ये खामोशियाँ, सीखो ना पिया, लब तो न खोलूंगी मैं, समझो दिल की बोली, सीखो ना नैनों की भाषा पिया, सुनना सीखो तुम हवा को, सननन सन सननन सन कहती है क्या, पढ़ना सीखो सलवटों को, माथे पे ये बल खा के लिखती है क्या, आहटों की है अपनी जुबान, इनमें भी है एक दास्तां, आहटों की है अपनी जुबान, इनमें भी है एक दास्तां, जाओ 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 पिया, सीखो ना
नैनों की भाषा पिया, कह रही तुमसे ये खामोशियाँ, सीखो ना पिया, लब तो ना खोलूंगी मैं, समझो दिल की बोली, सीखो ना नैनों की भाषा पिया।
क्या बात है, थैंक यू।
तो ये इतना खूबसूरत, हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग, एंड it's such a pleasure to be part of this beautiful evening with such amazing talent. और मुझे नहीं पता था कि आप लोग इतना ज़्यादा सीरियसली कंपटीशन हो रहा है और इस तरह की तैयारी होती है. I just thought that it must be like a karaoke kind of stuff, but it's intense. एंड मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी कि यहाँ पे मार्क्स देने हैं और एकदम वो जो टेलीविज़न पे जजिंग वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी, एकदम थोड़ा थोड़ा वैसा हो रहा था.
मैं एक सजेशन भी दूंगा, यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स मेरे सारे दोस्त लोग बैठे हैं, अगले साल से एक प्रोग्राम करिए आप लोग, उसका नाम रखिए भड़ास। और देखिए इतने लोग जो स्टेज पे आ जाते हैं, मैं देख रहा था सबके अंदर एक ज्वाला पनपने लगती है गाने की, और उस भड़ास को निकालने के लिए एक शाम जरूर रखें, वो बहुत जरूरी है।
कमिंग, आई लाइक द आइडिया भड़ास, ये अच्छा है। मैं घर में भी सजेस्ट करूंगी सब लोग अपनी भड़ास निकाल लें एक दूसरे के लिए सारे गाने गा के।
Thank you. I think they were trying to give you a track so that maybe you could start singing. Thank you so much, Neeti. But I know that.
So मैं कल गाने ही वाली हूँ, इसलिए मुझे लगा कि टीजर मैंने सीखो ना आपके साथ गा दिया है। But we have Merlin here, we have Mantra, we have so.
Absolutely.
I think Prasun, you said it all, and so did Neeti, and I can be only instrumental in echoing what you said.
No pun intended.
No pun intended. Definitely, they've summed up what our feelings are. And it's wonderful to see talent. After hard day's work, you come back and you sing. So from the closed doors of advertising onto the stage, fabulous. A big hand and celebrating your inner talent. Don't stop and keep prepping and keep coming on stage. A song is not a song until you sing it out. Otherwise, it stay in your heart forever. So have fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I just have one thing to say. We may or may not have enjoyed certain performances, but we must give it off to them because it's not easy coming on stage and putting up a show. Just one thing I will add, voice is a very, very personal thing. It's our physiology, it's our biology, how we sound, how our voice is. It's a very, very personal thing to come out, go on stage and speak or sing in front of an audience. So they deserve a huge round of applause.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come for us to now announce our winners. Let's start with our Indian solo, and let's start with our runner-up for the Indian solo. Absolutely, and I'll give you the honors. Please announce the name.
All right, runners-up for the Indian solo category. Can we please welcome Aniket, everybody, Aniket.
Congratulations, Aniket Khare, a big congratulations to you. All right, and Subhash, if you could do the honors and tell us who our winner is for our Indian solo.
Rahul Sarodi.
Let's now go to our international solo, and Merlin, if yes, it has to be. If I could request you to tell us who our runner-up is.
Is the lady in black, Sachi Shetty.
Congratulations, Sachi. And so that gives us our winner for our international solo. And Neeti, if I could request you to please do the honors.
And the winner of the international solo singing competition today is Bodhisattva Banerjee.
Congratulations, our winner for our international solo. Congratulations to you. And that leaves us, yeah, they'll take that from you. And that, of course, leaves us with our winner for our Indian duet.
Rahul and Aniket. And the winners are Rubin De Silva and Molobina.
Congratulations. Come on, everyone. A big, big round of applause. This is for all our winners today. And of course, a big round of applause for our judges. Thank you all so much for giving us your time and your energy right over here. That's a wrap for Big FM presents Ad Rocks powered by Bay, before anyone else by ABP Network.